Welcome back, students. This video covers very important and gunshot questions for the course Data Mining DM, for the computer science as well as information technology students under Jntuh R18 regulation. I have come up with very important questions. It's all about the theory pattern, dear students. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel as well as share this content with your friends so that it may reach them. The first and the foremost question I can give you is the classification of data mining systems. As I was told you that this time the paper pattern is all about the part A and part B. If you're working out all the concepts which I am going to let you know, it may help you in part A as well as part B. There is no questions like short questions in this video. If you're perfect with the concepts of all this which I have kept on the paper, you will be answering both 2, 3 as well as 5 mark question or the 10 mark question. Data warehouse define and the types of data and the functionalities may be one of the topmost and gunshot questions where you may be getting 2 and 3 mark combination. Also, the major issues in data mining is said to be the 5 mark question. I can expect 2A as well as 2B combinations from this part. Later, the data processing and what is the need and the various forms of data processing is said to be one of the topmost and gunshot question which may be coming in 3A this time. Integrating data mining system with the data warehouse along with a need sketch is also said to be one of the topmost and gunshot question, and the task primitives in the data mining may be a 3 mark or 2 mark question. This is all about 3A as well as 3B and 1AB, dear students. Hope you know how to work out the short questions to be written all together and the long questions to be written together in the booklet provided for you. Unit 2 is all about the associations and correlations. The mining frequent patterns is said to be one of the topmost question, and FP growth algorithm. For a given algorithm, you are supposed to work out for a given data, you need to find the frequent item sets is said to be one of the topmost question which may be occurring and in the question paper at 4A. List out the various kinds of association rules, and SPM explain the term may be a short question, and this may be 4A as well as 4B. Later, the correlation analysis and the overview of it is said to be one of the topmost question for a 5 mark. The various data mining methods may be asked to gist out for 2-3 mark, as well as graph pattern mining, and the identify subgraphs in a graph is also said to be one of the topmost question for under the question 5A as well as 5B, and the association mining and the constraint based. These all are the questions for the 4A as well as 5A and B combination. Let's look into the unit 3. It is all about the decision 3. Induction algorithm on decision 3 is said to be one of the topmost and gunshot question which may be a 6A, dear student. Lazy learner and explain it may be a 3 mark question. The classification and predictions and define these terms also may be a 3 mark or 2 mark question. Explain the classification as a 2-step process may be one of the topmost question in the 6B, dear students. Later, the Bayes theorem is very important, and the unit 3 is too short in its structure. Whichever the questions I have kept on paper, if you are going to practice this, you are going to score out mark, and the concepts used and the classifications as well as rule-based classification may be 7A as well as 7B. Please do concentrate on unit 3. It is very interesting and it is very short in its structure. Later, unit 4 is all about the cluster analysis and the types of data may be a short question, and K-means clustering and K-midpoints clustering. Their differences is said to be one of the topmost and gunshot question which may occur in the paper as 8A, and the grid-based methods may be 8B. Later, hierarchical approaches of clustering and list out their merits and demerits is also said to be 9A topmost question, dear students. Outliner analysis and density-based methods as well as clustering methods may be the short as well as long questions from the unit 4, that is all about 9A and 9B. Later, unit 5 is also a bit interesting, that is all about the mining sequence patterns in transactional databases is said to be one of the topmost and 10A question this time in the question paper. Mining time series data and the mining time what map may be a 3 mark question, and mining data streams and their concepts may be a 10B question, dear students. Work out very neatly as it is said to be a theory subject. I have uploaded a video on how to take the theory paper in this channel. If you haven't got through it, please go through it and watch it. Spatial versus multimedia data mining or the text mining may be the short question this time for sure, and the mining techniques to unstructured text database explained with an example is said to be one of the topmost question, that may be 11A, and the text versus database and web data may be also the B question. Dear students, hope you are liking my videos, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe as well as share this content with your friends so that it may reach and help them too. If you're looking for any other course, please do comment. Hope you're performing well in the exam by following my tips. If you're looking for any other course, please do not forget to comment. Good luck and God bless you all. Thank you.